Hi everyone, I just want to share this with you. This is a rewards program that showed up yesterday on my feed, and I would like to give it a try and see if this is legit. So I'm looking for power tools yesterday, and I saw this deal about getting a set of power tools from DeWalt. This is about $500 value, and all you have to do is fill up some survey and also go with the deals. I'm reading through the things yesterday and see on the reward option, they have a reward level. And I noticed that in order for you to get the $500 reward, actually need to be able to reach level 5. So level 5 is for you to get up to right here. If you look over here, you can actually pause this so you can read under level 5. Basically, you need to get one deal done on level 1, one deal on level 2, and then 3 on level 3, 5 on level 4, and 5 on level 5. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to do all this with spending no money or as little as money as possible, but I would like to give this a try. So I'm going to go through my progress, or maybe I could just go with the what's this, the level 2, which is, what's this, $5 now. Maybe I could go with up to level 3 and see if I can go on, but to test it. But right now it's February 4. I started it yesterday, February 3, and what I did yesterday is I claim one of the deal. Basically, one of their deal is um, playing a game, and I selected Coin Master. So right now for Coin Master, it says that I need to complete up to 3 levels, and I started it last night. So today I already halfway through my 3rd level. So, and you can see my progress right here. It says here deals you reviewed. I've downloaded both just to see which one's gonna uh, take me there faster. I think I'm gonna stick with Coin Master because that thing, the Coin Master seemed to level up as much faster as the dice stream. So this is my 1st level, and I'm gonna continue going with the other rewards as I complete level, and I'll probably just do to give you an update for every maybe a couple of days. Okay, and so this is basically my day 2. Okay, so I just want to give you an update. After I completed that 3 levels, I got an email confirming that I completed it. So I just have to click to confirm. So now it goes to the rewards telling me that I completed the 1st level. So, and then it tells me to continue to level 2. So yesterday I signed up for level 2 deals, which is the Bingo Blitz. So I'm playing that now. I'm already in level 28, because for the Bingo Blitz, it asks you to go up to level 30. Um, it goes fast. So let me go close this, and I just want to show you the deals that shows up for me for level 2. So I can actually do any of this. Like the experience boost is completely free if you don't want to spend time playing games. But right now I'm just trying to see if I can do everything doing a game. So I'm hoping that the experience boost will show up again in, let's say, level 4 or level 5. So the rest of the deal, it's either you um, give a gift like $7 or try Ancestry for free. It's kind of like a subscription trial, and you have to cancel it after. But these are all legit company. So Ancestry is legit company. You have the Showtime free trial, magazine trial, and then you have some games as well. Okay, so I wanted to do an update. Today is February 8th. I have reached the level 30 for the Bingo Blitz yesterday, and I didn't get anything from them. So I just stopped playing because they said that Sometimes it takes up to 48 hours to update the rewards. So today I got an email from them says level 2 complete. So level 2 that I complete is Bingo Blitz. So now let's go ahead and continue to level 3. So level 2 is pretty easy. It's just that took me a while because I'm only playing when I have time at night. Um, I could have finished it in about maybe 3 hours if I play it straight. So now let's see, continue to level 3. Let's see what they have available. Oh, okay. So this one looks like an easy one. So you just have to download this and download one of the gaming apps. Tap the claim button, install Misplay to start playing, and download a game from Misplay to get a deal credit. So I'll just install that, okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go back because for this, if you look here, it says you must complete 3 deals to continue. So for this one, I have to complete 3 games or 3 stuff. So I finished the level 3 requirements last Monday, and for some reason I did not get credited for the Dragon City and the Misplay app that I have completed. So I have to email them um, and ask them why I did not get credited. And I got an email back from them asking me to verify my birth date and my home address. They want to make sure that I'm qualified for the program. So I gave them my birth date and my home address, and they manually credited me for the Dragon City and the Misplay last night. Okay, so I finished level 3 last week and I have not selected anything for level 4 yet because for the level 4, all the deals that have been presented to me will either cost me money upfront or will require me to do a free trial subscription. And there's a one game here that requires a lot of time to play and says here to play reach power 1000,000. So that's basically a million power. So I look at YouTube on some of the um, tips on how to reach this fast, and a lot of them are taking at least 10 days to complete this. And I don't think it's cost effective to spend 10 days to get this thing finished. Um, I'm not sure how much time they have to make as well. One of the review saying that he have to check it every 5 minutes to collect the food and stuff, but I don't want to do that. Um, a lot of this have subscription based, but it looks to me like the first 3 levels is pretty easy to reach, but once you get to the fourth level, then it's going to require you to spend some money. I'm not willing to do the level 4 and level 5 anymore because they don't have any more free games uh, that I can play easily. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cash out now. You qualify to cash out a new reward of lesser value right now. So I'll just do a cash out. Okay, so after I said I wanted to do a cash out, now it takes me to the reward claim process. It says accurately fill out this and submit your reward claim tickets request to start the ID verification process. So it's gonna require your contact information number, your phone number, basically your email address, your home address. Just basically asking if you will be, are you a robot or not, and then you have to agree to these terms. Check here for claim updated via SMS. Okay, so let me go ahead and fill this out. Now it says scan my ID, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I just submitted my ID, and I was trying to do it earlier, but it won't let me because there's a screen record overlay, which is a good security measure. So right now it says we have received your submission, and please we will contact you by email shortly. So let me go ahead and go to my email. So in my email right now says congratulations, Your $100 Visa gift card reward is on the way. In 70 business days, you will receive an email from Tremendous, our fulfillment vendor with your reward. You're all set and you'll receive an email once your reward is ready. So let me update you again after 5 to 7 days if I actually get the $100 Visa gift card or not. Okay, so I received an email today saying that my rewards has been sent. So let me redeem it. I'll say gift card. I'll just say Amazon gift card. Redeem $100. Okay, so it says that my reward is currently processing and that I will receive an email as soon as my code is available. Let me check my email. Okay, so it looks like I got the reward now. Let me go ahead and view the code and let me put it in my Amazon account. Gift card claim code. Let me go copy the claim code and then go to my Amazon. And I'm right now you can see I have a zero balance on my gift card. Let me go ahead and put that code in and see if it will give me the $100. Okay, apply your balance. There you go. So I got the $100 gift card credited to my Amazon now. So, well, this program seems to be legit. So what I noticed here is for the first three level, you'll be able to complete it by just playing games. And once you get to level 4, now the games become um, harder. Basically, you have to spend a lot of time on the games. They have strategy games now instead of just a simple Tetris game or match 3 games. Um, it requires you to play strategy games, and you're gonna need to spend a lot of time on that game to qualify for the credit. So the first three level, you'll be able to get $100. For the first two levels, it's pretty easy. The third level, you'll probably require a couple more hours for playing the games, but then once you get to level 4, it's gonna require a lot of your time because the requirements are a lot harder for the free game. And also, you have less option for the free trial subscription. So it's really up to you. If you like playing games, this will work for you, but don't expect to be able to get up to level 5 not spending any type of money. I hope you like this video and this video has helped you with your decision if you want to try one of those reward programs. And please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.